y'all, it's Miss Katie from Heritage Ways. I want to show something that's been asked of me. I want to tell you how to turn your yogurt that you've made, whether you've made it from raw milk or other milk. This is from raw milk, actually. And honestly, it's about a month old and it's not molded or anything. I talk about raw milk in other videos. It doesn't necessarily go bad, it just sours. Alright, so I have my half gallon of yogurt that I have made, and you can see the video above here that I'm going to tag to tell you how to make that. Actually, Little Miss Homemaker does. This is very simple. It's just you can use cheesecloth, but this is just like a painter's paint straining bag, and I've just put it on this pot that I have here in our RV, and then I just pour. I usually scoop it out with a spoon, but in this case I'm pouring it, and I'm just going to pour some of my yogurt into my cheese cloth, well, paint strainer or your cheesecloth. I'm going to take it. I don't want it too heavy because I've got hooks, so I will let it hang on my hook that you see here, and we will end up with some whey here in our pot that we can use for various things. All sorts of uses for whey. And I will tie a little, this is a twist tie that I saved. And I will just tie this. And I think what I'll do, this is a command hook that I'm using actually. And I have 2 command hooks so that if I need to hang 2 bags. By the way, you can strain store-bought yogurt as well. I do recommend you buy high quality yogurt, nothing added. But it's so easy to make your own. Now, why would I strain this to begin with? Well, depending on how long you strain it is what you would use it for, in my opinion. You could use it for, you could just strain it for an hour or 2 and then just have like a cream that you could use in place of thin sour cream. You could put on top of a curry or a hot dish like that. Some people call this yogurt cheese. Some people call it Greek yogurt. It really depends on how long you let it drain. So what I'm going to use this for is tomorrow night's baked ziti. I do have cream cheese from the store. I do not have cottage cheese. I'm going to let this hang or strain for several hours, and I will add this in place of my cottage cheese. So I will also end up with some great whey that we can use for all sorts of different things. The kids like whey lemonade, and you can use it for all kinds of things. So I hope this helps. This is a highly requested question that I've received, how to turn your yogurt into cheese. And it's just a matter of putting it in your cheesecloth or your paint cloth. If you have questions, leave them down below. And thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up if this is helpful to you. Hit subscribe if you haven't already, and y'all have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.